This macro exchanges the rule table of selected pieces and maps the previous sizes to the new table, thereby changing the available sizes. There is a variety of different use cases. New sizes can be added to a table, calculating rules based on the existing incremental values, behaving similarly to the function digitize piece rules. Size groups can be added, copying the grade values from the sample size group to the others. Sizes can be renamed or remapped, turning size 38 into the size M, for example. This video focuses on adding sizes and renaming sizes. Other examples and use cases can be found within the manual. Use the F12 key or the question mark from within the menu Help and click onto the macro in smart.run to access the manual. When adding sizes to a graded pattern, a grade rule table with the desired size spectrum needs to exist before starting the macro. If needed, you can create a table using the Rule Table Editor in the Tools menu or create it manually. In this example, the pattern is graded from size 34 to 46. With the help of the macro, size 48 will be added. A rule table containing these sizes has already been created. The pattern is graded with a mix of local and general rules. Start the macro. An editor appears. Click Selection to choose the new rule table. Once selected, confirm with Open. The editor closes, returning you to the previous window. Select OK to continue with the process. Select the pieces that should be edited. All selected pieces must have the same rule table. Another editor appears. In the next steps, the existing sizes within the first window need to be mapped to the new sizes in the second window. Information on the selected grade rule tables, as well as the number of sizes, is displayed in the dialog box. In this example, all sizes need to be selected for the first table since they will also be used in the second table. Once selected, click OK to continue. In the next window, an additional size appears. These are the sizes of the new table. The previously selected sizes now need to be mapped to the new ones. All missing sizes will be calculated. Size 34 to 46 need to be selected. 48 remains unselected since there was no previous size that can be assigned. Grade values for 48 will be calculated in the next step. Keep in mind that the amount of selected sizes in the first and second window needs to be the same. If you are unsure how many sizes were selected, check the dialog box for more information. Once selected, click OK to continue. The macro processes the existing sizes and calculates values for size 48. When renaming sizes on a pattern using the macro, a grade rule table containing the desired sizes needs to exist. If no table is available, you can create a new one. In this example, the sizes from 34 to 46 will be renamed to XXS to XXL. The two tables also have a different sample size. A table containing these sizes has already been created. Start the macro and click Selection in the editor window. Select the new rule table and confirm with Open. To start the process, click OK. First, you need to select the pieces. An editor displaying the sizes within the previous rule table appears. All sizes need to be selected since all of them will be renamed. Pay attention to the information regarding the amount of sizes in both tables. Confirm with OK. Now the new sizes need to be selected. In this example, the amount of sizes is the same in both tables, allowing you to select all of them. The macro maps the selected sizes from the first editor window to the selection here. Once everything is selected, confirm with OK and wait for the result. The grade nest remains the same, however, the sizes are now named differently. Additionally, the pieces on screen have been replaced by pieces in the sample size of the new table.